In this video, I will introduce the settings of the Fixed Equipment plugin for Rise CRM. First, we create depreciations types to use for model and license. In the Add Depreciations pop-up, enter the depreciation name and number of months. Click on the Submit button. Depreciation is calculated using the straight-line depreciation method. Next, we create suppliers to use for assets, accessories, licenses, and maintenances. Click on the Add button. Fill in the supplier name, address, city, state, country, zip code, contact name, phone number, fax, email, URL, note and upload image fields. Click on the Submit button. The Assets, Accessories, Licenses column is used to display the total quantity of each type belonging to this supplier. Next, go to the Asset Manufacturers menu to create an asset manufacturer. Click on the Add button. Fill in the name, URL, support phone, support email, upload image field. Then click on the Submit button. The Asset, License, Consumables and Accessory column is used to display the total quantity of each type belonging to this manufacturer. Next, go to the Categories menu to create categories for each fixed equipment such as accessory, asset, consumables, component and license. In the Add Category pop-up, enter the category name, select the category type, enter the category EULA. Check or uncheck the Use the primary default EULA instead. Require users to confirm acceptance of assets in this category. Send email to user on check-in, check-out. These three options do not affect any features. Click on the Submit button. The QTY column is used to display the total number of fixed equipment in each category. Next, go to Custom Field menu to create custom fields and use it for the model. Click on the Add button. In the New Field Set pop-up, enter the name and notes, then click on the Submit button. Go to this field set detail. Create custom fields for this field set. In the new custom field, enter the title. Select the field type like text field, number field, text area, select, multi-select, checkbox, radio button. Select the required option to set this custom field is required and user must enter data for this field. Click on the Submit button. Create more custom fields for this field set. Returning to the Custom Field Management screen, the QTY Fields column displays the total number of custom fields belonging to a field set. Go to the Models menu. Click on the Add button. Enter the model name. Select the manufacturer, category. Enter the model No. Select the depreciation. Enter the EOL, check or uncheck. Users may request this model. If it's selected, the employee can create a request at Requested menu for the assets belong to this model. Select the field set, enter the notes, upload image. Then click on the Submit button. The Assets column is used to display the number of assets belonging to this model. Next, go to the Status Labels and create status label to assign to the asset. Click on the Add button. In the Add Status Labels pop-up, enter the name, select the status type. If deployable is selected, these assets can be checked out. Once they are assigned, they will assume a meta status of deployed. If pending is selected, these assets cannot yet be assigned to anyone, often used for items that are out for repair but are expected to return to circulation. If undeployable is selected, these assets cannot be assigned to anyone. If archived is selected, These assets cannot be checked out and will only show up in the archived view. This is useful for retaining information about assets for budgeting, historical purposes, but keeping them out of the day-to-day asset list. Choose a representative color for each label. Check or uncheck default label. If checked, this is the default status when creating the asset. Click on the Submit button. Go to Approval Settings to create approval processes for checkout. Audit in that checkout is to approve assets allocation requests generated from requested menu. Select the notification recipient. This staff member will receive notifications when a transaction is created and is responsible for overseeing the approval process. If you do not choose, no one will receive the notification. Enter the maximum number of days to sign. It is calculated from the date the employee created the request. The time to enter this field is only for superiors to easily manage. If the deadline is over, the approval process will still be carried OU. There are two ways of the approval process: allowing the creator who create an audit or requested to select their own approver by ticking the Choose When Approving option, or selecting the specific approver for the process by selecting Approver. You can choose multiple approvers in each approval process. The approval process will be done sequentially. That is, according to this process, Test 1 staff will approve first. If he chooses Approve, then GTSS staff can make approval. But if Test 1 selects Deny, then GTSS cannot do approval and the status of the request form will be rejected. Click on the Submit button. Finally, go to the Other settings. You must register Google Map key, then enter Google Map API key field. Then click on the Save button. Google Map API key is used for the location page. Once a location is entered, the system locates the location on the map and displays it in the location details screen.